Hi Pisces. So we are going to do a reading for the new moon in Aquarius. I know this is a little bit delayed for you guys for the water and the earth signs. Cancer, this is Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus or Jupiter. Please take what resonates and leave what doesn't. The full moon in Aquarius is happening on the 11th and 12th of February. Cancer, this is for you. Let's see what message wants to come through from your spirit guides. This is a different kind of reading. I'll explain the placement to you when I draw out each card. This is a quick reading for each individual zodiac signs. Alright Cancer, from the wisdom of the oracle you have serendipity. Definitely some good luck, good fortune coming your way this new moon, and it definitely has come to you after a lot of letting go of things that don't serve for your highest good. I do see you in this energy of allowing things into your life. You are allowing things to flow freely into your life. I do get that feeling. Cancer, so the first card, this is your guidance message from your spirit guides. The first card we'll be drawing is, what are your spirit guides trying to help you with? Second is, how can you take action on your spirit guides' advice? Third is, how can you better connect with your spirit guides? The same cards but different placement. I guess it was Leo that had this. You might want to check out that reading as well. How can you take action? What are your spirit guides trying to help you with? You have the Three of Pentacles here. I do see that your spirit guides are trying to tell you to go and mingle with your friends, your social circle, your spiritual circle, your family, your friends. Collaborate into a partnership that will help you grow. It allows you to keep a balance of giving and receiving. Somewhere I do get that feeling with this card here. It's an equal effort put by each of these individuals shown in the card. So definitely some sort of partnership that your spirit guides want you to go forward with. Some kind of collaboration. How can you take action on your spirit guides' advice? You have the Seven of Swords here. You may be contemplating with something, about something, and I guess it is with the partnership that you are wanting to move forward with. But the Seven of Swords here, in how can you take action on the advice, it is telling me that you may be a little in and out. You may be not contributing as much as you should be because you're not sure of it. I think your spirit guides are telling you to go all in, so that there is a balance of energy in the partnership, in the collaboration. There is something that's off balance, and I think it's time to release control on aspects that you don't have control. We don't have control on any aspect in our life. And I think that's the lesson here for you. For most of you, I think you are already out of it. You just need to be sure of what is it that you want to move forward with. Whatever it is, put in all of your effort there. How can you better connect with your spirit guides is definitely taking some action towards what is it that you like to do, what is it that is enhancing your capabilities, what is giving wings to the desire you have within you, what is it that you want to start brand new. What there is a little bit of contemplation that I feel is on your side, a little bit of not sure of which way to take. Go with what you feel, go with what makes you happy, go with that gut feeling. I think that's where you will find your answer. Go with that gut feeling, Cancer. You will be able to better connect with your soul there, with your spirit guides there, with the divine consciousness. It's all within you. The answers that you are seeking is all within you. Just release control, and whatever it is that you want to do, go all in. Whether it's taking an action towards the partnership or away from the partnership. But I do sense that maybe whatever partnership it is that you are contemplating about, it's a good thing. It's something that will help you connect better with yourself. It may be a work situation for some of you. A new passion. Alright, Cancer, I guess that's a clear message I have for you guys here for the new moon that's happening in the sign of Aquarius on the 11th and 12th of February. Please take what resonated and leave what did not resonate with you. Okay, Cancer. See you soon. Bye-bye.